So as we have already created the 3D model, the only thing left for us to do is add the materials to the specific elements and the lightings. It will be ready for the final output. So for that, first we need to go to Twinmotion. Now once you're in the Twinmotion with the import direct link, the next thing to do is go to Revit, Datasmith, synchronize, and your model will be there. You go, your model is here. Hit 1. Now once you import your file, hit any of the walls and just make it disappear. Go to this arrow key. You will see the wall being highlighted on the 3D, and just zoom in a bit. There you go. You don't need this anymore. Yeah, for us to add the lightings, we need to dark mode. Let's go this one. This is only for like see for now. We will not be using it. Make it 50 and shift, make another copy, and then just hit OK. Now you can see the materials that we are going to apply. First, let's start with this closet. Let's go to I need something the vanilla. Let's okay. Yeah, not bad. Increase this one to be at 7. It looks good, right? Next thing, let's add the floor. Let's go into plank, wooden floor. Okay, let's see this one how it will. Yeah, not bad, right? Awesome. Let's increase this one to up to, let's see, 2. 2.5. It's kind of good, right? If we increase it a little bit more, let's make it 2.5, 2.7. Yeah, little bit up here, else like to shining too much. Now let's add materials to this floating table. I have a material wall. Let's see what comes up. Yeah, there it is. And let's increase this one 3.8 something. Yeah, oh, looks good, right? So the next thing that we're gonna do is this drawer. So I need this drawer to be like something else. So do the surface, bird. Let's add this one. It's look good, right? It's looking good. It's good this way. Let's give it 1.5. Okay, our whole room is getting into shape. The next thing we're gonna add is this shelf. Let's first add the fabrics. So for that you have to go to surface, no, not here, materials. You will find cloth, fabric. Okay, let's add this here. Now you can see very little polka dots or something. Increase in the size. Okay. Let's give it 3. Yeah, it's good, right? The curtains are looking good. Let's try this one. Okay, 3. Let's give it 5. Not bad. Give it 6. Yeah. Okay. Windows are okay. This floating desk is done. Let's go into the. I was thinking let's add the same material as this one. For that we have to like this dropper icon that you see. Click on this one, and wherever you place it, the material will be selected. So if I place it here, the cloth is selected, and if I place it here, the basketball that we used on that particular element, it highlights it. So just drag it and okay. If we increase, see the material. Okay, where were we? 5 or 4? I will. Yeah. Okay, so this is done. Next thing we're gonna do is add a lightning neon. That's if you go really down, you will see neon. Then we need just neon, and then yeah, you can reduce the arm weakness. So okay, let's give it 30. Let's give it 35. Okay, or let's give it to 25. Okay, let's give it 30. There are multiple colors that you can like. This one is like flashy, blinking. Okay, let's try this one. No, we don't need this. Yeah, this one's good. That one we have applied already. Yeah. Now you can see this inner material is being selected as the same material as the shelf and the peg, but this we want this to be mirrored. So for that, if this happens, don't need to worry, just go to Revit and click on this, edit in place, pick up this inner part and just what was it, let's change the material. Okay, let's make it something, anything, and let's change this, rename this as GLASS glass. Let's change the MIRR. Let's set this one. MIRR. Is there anything called? Okay, I need basic type mirror. Mirror, no, need glass. GLASS glass. Acrylic. Chrome. Clear light. Clear reflective. Yeah, clear reflective. Apply it. Okay. Finish it here. Go to Datasmith, go to synchronize. Let's see. We will add this here and we will add the reflection. Now you can see it is very dull. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to tools, we will select this reflection probe, we're going to select this and we're going to place it right here. So it's going to reflect. Okay, be careful while placing this. One small mistake can. Yeah. You can change the size. Let's keep it this much. Not bad. See, the reflection probe is working. The next thing we're gonna do is this closet. I want this closets. If we can like squeeze in a little bit. There you go. Let's add something. Surface, go to wood. Then not bad. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Increase the scale to okay. Project is taking shape finally, right? Let's add material to this one. We can go to board. Let's add this plywood here. Yeah, it looks good, right? Okay, let's start adding the lights that we talked about. For that we need to go to lights. I'm gonna use area light. Before we go and hit the area light, just forgot to add material to this one. Actually this flow I'm not liking it very much. Let's change surfaces, word. Let's go to a blank. Let's have this one. It's okay. Let's increase it to 10. Okay, 5. How about 4? That looks good, right? Let's try to increase 4.5. Okay, that looks good. Okay, and that, where it go? Bold. Okay. Nice. Yeah. Let's add this to this one and see how it looks. Yeah, it looks good. I'm gonna change it. Add it in place. Let's head over to front elevation. Yes, let's give it 80. 80. I said 80, not 80. Yeah, let's set AL. This bad boy and this bad boy goes there. This 300? Nope, 150. Okay, let's make it 200. Now it's looking good. Hit finish. Data Smith, synchronize it. Let's go and see what it looks like. Not bad, right? If we click on this and simply hide it. Let's go up and let's unhide this. We will change it and then we'll 200 works. Now we need to 2. Yes, 2 is good. 2 is good. Give it 1.5. It's good. There you go, you have your area lighting. Looking good, right? Okay, let's add a door so you can wait to open now. We have a lot of options here. Look at this one. There you go. You have your door ready. The next thing we will do is add some gases. Let's go. Okay, I need this one. So once you have, we're gonna make a bed out of this. Okay. Make it lower. If you are hearing like chickens or something, my neighbor, they don't let me kill them. I mean the chickens, not them. These chickens have been eating my brain since I moved here. I just hate chickens. If you think your bed is too thick, make it thin as you want. This tool here is very handy. It's called scale. Let's just increase it. No, that's not. not increase it. Let's move it a little bit. Yeah, there. Okay, let's increase it just a bit, and then always enable the autosave. I will show you where it is. If you don't, your projects may get shut down in between.